Welcome guys, welcome to a new vlog. So today we have a match for Salesforce Industries Cloud where the entire Industries Cloud is here to play a charity match for Krushi. So we are donating a fund to Krushi. So we have a friendly match with all industries where industries Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and other folks are already playing the match. So you can see this is the match going on between two teams of Industries Cloud, and here's the trophy for winners and a runner-up. So I'll brief you about this match. So as I mentioned that this is a charity match, this is a donation match we are doing for Krushi, for the well-being, for the welfare of the people who actually needs those funds. So this is done by every year by Salesforce from every cloud. So this time Industries Cloud is taking the lead and entire industries has came for a friendly match. So as I mentioned that different teams like Q1, Q2, Q3 and other Q4 teams also participated here. So the match is basically in the rooftop of Skyview, which is also known as Super Sports Complex. So this is in the building 10. Basically we have two playgrounds. So one playground is behind me. This is the ground number 2 and another ground is, I'll show you, I'll cover that also. And let me tell you guys, the weather is so lovely. So it's not too warm, it's a moderate weather which is allowing everything so smoothly. So this is one of the match going on. We already played our match, couple of matches, and I'll cover the another ground as well where our players are playing, our teammates are playing. So this is the beauty of playing the matches with your colleague, and especially for the purpose which we are playing. So that purpose is so good. So every year we donate for Krushi. This year also the donation is quite good. So, and the lead is taken by few of our stakeholders, few of our managers, few of our management teams, and I thank to them that they have organized this like anything, and this is flawless because 22 teams are there for playing here, and out of 22 we have divided into certain groups starting from A to G, and each group has a couple of matches. So matches start since today is Friday, so the matches already started around morning 8. So that's how it goes. So the lovely weather, and you can see the matches. So our other team folks are actually playing here. We already had a good lunch and everything is so well organized by organizer. I thank to them. So this is the ground 2 which I was talking about. So basically the rule of the matches were like that. For group stages you have couple of matches to play, and once you qualify in both the matches and you will lead the tabletop for the group, then only you'll able to play the other matches like stage matches or semi-finals or move to the finals. But the first prerequisite was to just have the first match to be qualified in the group stages, and then we can move to the other one. And I'll cover the rest of the part from there where my other folks and other team members are sitting there. I'll have few words from them also, how they enjoyed, how they played. As I mentioned that I don't know how far my camera is doing a justice, but the weather is so lovely guys, especially when you are doing team outing or any kind of sports event, and if the weather is favorable, it makes your half of the journey, half of the life so easy, and half of 50% of your part is already done by the weather itself. And let me tell you, the photography and videography also comes so good when the weather is good. So I love this weather and love the spirit of all the teams, all the players who came here. So as I mentioned that there are 22 teams playing from Industries Cloud, and each team is having 7 players, and all 7 players we have one female player which is mandatory, otherwise we'll lose 12 runs. So that is the well part of that we are encouraging, the Salesforce always encourage women employers, so that's the best part of this. So, and I'll take a few words from other folks how they are enjoying. So folks are already waiting for their turn to come. So you guys enjoyed, right?
Yes.
Tell me, Vishnu, so the initiative was so good. For a charity purpose we came here and we did a charity, and also we enjoyed, as I mentioned in my video as well, that the weather is quite good today. So half of the thing weather has already done for us, and since it was a friendly match, so nothing we should take to the heart whether we lose or win. But that is the very good initiative which Industries does, right, every year, and Salesforce encourages this kind of charity thing. And also I mentioned that every team has a female player, so that is the best part. So anything you wanted to add, Vishnu?
No, I think we covered it. So it was like, we get together almost twice a year with the Industries team, and we have almost like 23 teams.
22 teams.
22 teams that are participating, over 120 odd people. So that's a major event in Hyderabad. And thanks for everyone who's participating and being part of the event. And I wish everyone good luck, and may the best team win.
We have the trophy here. I've already covered the photograph.
But
Anything?
ultimately, we are doing it for charity purpose.
Exactly.
To donate all the funds to Krishi.
Okay, anything you want to add, Gopal?
No, I think the people are having fun, lot of fun, right, from morning till late evening.
Correct.
That's a good thing. Like we should have more often so that people will come along and enjoy
Correct.
taking a good break from work, right? I think that's a good thing which we wanted to do it every 6 months.
Right.
Yeah.
Hopefully every quarter we should go ahead and do. Let's see. So anyways, thanks a lot. Thanks. I'll
Especially
come.
thanks to Money who organized.
Yeah, I already have said I'll have few words from lunch. Was pretty good. So guys, lunch, I'll show how the good biryani is. They have ordered from one of the Andhra restaurant, and which is one of the best restaurant in Hyderabad. I'll cover the rest of the part from the organizers. Anil, just a few words. Let me cover from Money. Money. So guys, Money and Anil are organizers, and how well they have organized this. So Money, I've already said in my video that we are doing for a good thing, welfare things, a good cause is there, and we have every year we raise a fund for Krushi and other welfares. So that is one of the best initiative of Salesforce. And also we are encouraging female employees in every team. That is a mandatory thing. So all credit goes to Money and the folks who have arranged this thing for us.
Thank you all for supporting joining this
The best charity matches, and this is one of the best thing, I would definitely say. I think biryani is already done, right, Money? It's one of the best biryani Money has arranged from Andhra restaurant. So
and you can see the spirit and energy of the team playing.
correct,
It's a lovely environment
correct.
and electrifying match.
Yeah.
And just we finished one of the match, and Thunderbolts have won the match. Good to see that. Let's go and wish them.
Yeah, so I think that whole finals and semi-finals we are going to conduct today itself, right, Money?
Yes, all the things.
Okay.
But the finals and the presentation ceremony at
Oh.
the end.
Okay, so finals and other ceremony we are going to cover tonight, so that is the part of that. So the lunch was arranged from the management team, and Money was one of the part of that management. And I don't know, it's already over, but a very good veg biryani was there, which is the best part of this lunch. So I actually loved it. I actually enjoyed my Friday. and I hope that this kind of event should happen every quarter, so frequently, so that we can enjoy like anything. So I'll go inside the ground and I'll cover my video from there. Oh. So how you guys felt?
Yeah, we won at the end.
Okay, great.
By 5 runs. 6
By
runs.
Oh,
6
great,
runs.
man.
Last ball 6 runs.
So my team members won the match and they were so glad to say that they won by 6 runs. So see, I'll cover the ground from inside. It's so beautiful. You can see it's a box cricket. Only 7 players were allowed because it's not too large as a common ground, but this is the well part of this particular ground. So if you're directly hitting outside, it's a 6. If you're hitting somewhere side and left or right and then it goes to all the way to straight, then it is covered as 4. So it's a lovely ground team, and as I mentioned that I really enjoyed my Friday. I really enjoyed this VTO event which is organized by Salesforce Industries Cloud, and I love the spirit of the people who came here to support for a good cause, and I'm really glad to see my people, my colleague, my team, my friends all are playing like anything and all are enjoying and doing a good cause for Salesforce and for the purpose for Krushi. So thank you so much guys. Have a good day, have a good weekend and enjoy. Take care. Just keep watching. Bye bye.